Hello, well I'm excited today. It's not a blue envelope, which it usually is. I somehow have scored myself a box. I don't think I ticked box. Maybe I ticked box, I'm not sure. Anyway, very exciting to receive the box. Okay, so let's have a look. Unlike my second chance items, I know what's inside this one, and it is a Maverick. After my very lucky second chance Maverick, I have jumped on the Maverick bandwagon. Like many of you, I'm so sad that I can't buy the deluxe anymore. Deluxe, my kingdom for a deluxe. I've even started considering, could I buy extra leather? Could I find someone that would sew it on for me? Anyway, I'm going to try and embrace the classic. So let's have a look at what's inside. Oh, looks pretty nice. Oh, look at this. It's so shiny. Oh, wow. Well, if there is a reason to embrace the classic, I feel like this could be it. So this is very different to my other Maverick that I got. I did ask. My order notes were lots of lightning strikes, and I don't think I could have done any better than that. That's just beautiful. I feel like I'm embracing the classic. Embracing the classic. Okay, let's have a look in here. Yes, so order notes, hoping for lots of lightning strikes. Well, indeed, lots of lightning strikes. And you, oh, look at my little birdie. Isn't that cute? Oh, that's very nice, isn't it? Well, there it is. The first time I've purchased a classic, and I think if I'm ever going to come round to the classic, this is the one that's going to do it for me. Yay!